Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to disassemble Acer Aspire E5-511 model. Rotate it on the bottom side. Then first remove the battery. We have to unscrew all of the screws we see on the bottom cover. Remove the optical drive by sliding it out. Open the lid cover. Open a little the cover. Then with a plastic tool just slide it between the bottom cover and the upper cover. Be careful, there are 3 cables here. We have to disconnect one, second, and the last. Push from the both sides down and it will come out. Let's place it aside. So here is our hard drive. If we want to replace it and upgrade it with an SSD, I will upgrade this laptop with SSD. Disconnect this cable. Unscrew the screws which hold this metal bracket. Then slide the drive to the right. It's a little sticky here. To replace the hard drive, unscrew the screws which hold the hard drive in this metal bracket, place the new hard drive and place the whole thing back here. How to clean the CPU fan? I usually use compressed air. With compressed air, everything will blow out. If you want to replace the RAM memory or add some RAM memory, the memory is underneath on the other side of the motherboard. Just we have disconnected this cable, unscrew here, unscrew here, disconnect the Wi-Fi, unscrew the CPU fan screws, disconnect this cable too. Remove the Wi-Fi card, unscrew its screw, take it out, then take out the main board carefully. And you see here, there is one cable here which we have to disconnect, but I will not. I just wanted to show you. To add some memory, you can place the memory here and you will have more memory. Now in a reverse order, let's put back all together, and that's it. So, thank you very much. Good luck.